You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression, as well as how to say more interesting expression from Latin that many get wrong, mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel, become part of the community. Fluctuat nec mergitur. Fluctuat, meaning it fluctuates or it moves, it is shaken, it is tossed by the waves, for example, but does not sink. Fluctuat nec mergitur is how it's said in English. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and useful expressions. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.